Short lifespans. They are more expensive to operate than newer lighting types such as the CFLs and the LEDs. So, not a very efficient energy conversion device. 2 questions left in this round. On the buzzer, gentlemen, fingers ready. Wind energy possesses which type of energy? On the buzzer without the choices, DPS Noida.
Kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy. Great answer, 10 points. And the last question of our buzzer round. What is the gradual build-up of the concentration of chemicals as they transfer through higher levels of the food chain called? Biomagnification. Very confident answer from DPS Ranchi. Rightly so, 10 points. Well, that ends 2 rounds of our final of the Fuel Saving League. What we're going to do is tell you the scores now. We still have 4 rounds to go. Let's have a round of applause for all 5 teams. They've done very well in the first 2 rounds.
See.
सॉरी
पापा
हाँ बेटा
थैंक्स
थैंक्स किस लिए
मेरे नए कंप्यूटर के लिए।
कंप्यूटर
हाँ, अब आप गाड़ी 45 से 55 किलोमीटर की स्पीड पे चला रहे हो, जिससे हम हर साल अपने फ्यूल बिल पे 25,000 तक बचाएंगे। मतलब रिया का नया कंप्यूटर पक्का। बात तो एक ही है ना।
45 से 55 की स्पीड पे गाड़ी चलाएं और सालाना 25,000 रूपए तक बचाएं। Brought to you by PCRA in public interest.
पूजा, हमारी शादी को 1.5 साल हो गया ना?
याद है आपको?
18 महीने 20 दिन और 10 घंटे।
आई एम इम्प्रेस्ड मिस्टर शर्मा। अरे हटो, खाना बनाने दो, जाओ।
मैं तो सिर्फ थैंक यू कहना आया हूँ।
क्यों? तुम्हें 18 महीने 20 दिन झेलने के लिए?
नहीं यार, अपनी नई घड़ी के लिए।
घड़ी?
आपने दाल चावल को पकाने से पहले भिगोया।
हाँ।
और आप प्रेशर कुकर का भी इस्तेमाल कर रही हो।
हाँ।
इससे सिलेंडर ज्यादा दिन चलेगा और हम सालाना गैस बिल पर 1,000 रूपए तक तो बचा ही लेंगे। करेक्ट?
करेक्ट।
मतलब आ गई ना मेरी नई घड़ी। बात तो एक ही है ना।
खाना पकाने से पहले उसे भिगोएं और प्रेशर कुकर का इस्तेमाल करें और सालाना 1,000 रूपए तक बचाएं। This tip was brought to you by PCRA in public interest.
We're going to move to round 3 now. Round 3 का नाम है conservation. इसमें 12 सवाल हैं। सारे सवाल बजर पे खेले जाएंगे, पर इनमें इंटरेस्टिंग ट्विस्ट ये है कि with every question that we move ahead, the letter which the answer starts is with the following letter of the word conservation. So which means the first answer starts with the letter C, the second question's answer starts with the letter O, then N, S, and forward on 12 till the last one N. So it's a bit of a clue, yes, that we're giving you before we even ask the question. But of course, every clue has an interesting twist. The twist in this is, if you press the buzzer, you get the answer right, you get 10 points, but if you get it wrong, you get -5. तो यानी कि confidence अभी भी अच्छी चीज है, पर overconfidence खराब चीज है. So this is our first question of the third round of the Fuel Saving League 2015 final. Let's give all the teams a big encouraging round of applause before we start. So we're going to start with the letter C of conservation. Which fuel meets around 52% of India's primary commercial energy needs? DPS Noida on the buzzer. What's the answer?
Coal.
Coal is your answer. C for coal. T for 10 points. Well done. 66% of India's power generation is coal-based and 52% of primary commercial energy needs coal, of course. We're going to move on to O now. According to current estimates, almost 81% of the world's proven dash reserves are located in, we have Panjim.
Oil.
Oil reserves. 10 points. Well done, Panjim. We're going to move to N now. This one has a visual clue. I'm going to play that in just a second, but I'm going to ask you the question first. The question is, this graph depicts the production of which fossil fuel? Here's the visual. We have Panjim on the buzzer first.
Natural gas.
You say natural gas. 10 points for natural gas to Panjim. You can go again on this one. The answer for this is with S. No visual. My question. Crude oil is called sweet if it has less than 1% of which chemical compound? Panjim on the buzzer.
Sulfur.
Sulfur. S for sulfur. 10 points. It is correct. Well done. Moving on to our fifth question. The answer begins with E. This is a visual clue. The question first. By what common term can we classify these animals together? Bengaluru on the buzzer. Extinct. Very excited on the buzzer. 10 points. Absolutely correct answer. All of these are extinct. The images we show are a dodo, a mammo, a Nicobar pigeon, and a Tasmanian wolf. All extinct, but not Bengaluru, because they're very much alive in this quiz with those 10 points. Moving on now to R. Again, my question. Zoe is an environment-friendly car manufactured by which car company?
Renault.
DPS Noida
Renault.
says Renault. There's the car in question. 10 points, Renault indeed. Moving on to the next question. V. ZSL has been working closely with Bombay Natural History Society to conserve which winged species?
Vulture.
DPS Noida with the buzzer, vulture. Good answer, like vultures taking away 10 points there. Good job, DPS Noida. Moving on now to A. Again, my question, no visual. If the Chipko movement protected ecologically crucial areas, Bengaluru on the buzzer.
Is it the Appico movement?
It's the right answer, 10 points. It moves us now to T. This one is a visual question. What chemical element is blanked out on this visual? We have Ranchi on the buzzer.
Titanium.
Unfortunately, it's not the right answer. Thorium is the answer we were looking for. Unfortunately, -5 for DPS Ranchi on that one. We still have 3 questions left to go in this round. We're going to start with I. In association with the United Nations Environment Programme, which famous sporting event joins the ranks of global sporting events such as the Olympics and FIFA World Cup to calculate its carbon footprint? DPS Noida,
The World Cup, Football World Cup.
but not the right answer. The answer I was looking for was the IPL, the Indian Premier League. It's O. 2 questions left now in this buzzer round. Ye raha aapka sawal. Which oil company has signed an agreement with 7 IITs for developing indigenous technologies to enhance exploration and production of hydrocarbons and alternate energy sources?
ONGC.
ONGC, as soon as they heard IIT, they knew it was going to be Indian, went for ONGC. 10 points. Good answer. Our final question of this round. This one is with N. I'm going to ask the question and show you a visual. Which famous environment movement is depicted in this visual? Bengaluru on the buzzer.
Narmada Bachao Andolan.
Narmada Bachao Andolan. The right answer, 10 points, Bengaluru. Good job. That gets us to the end of the 3rd round. Our 4th round is a topic-based round. We have 7 topics on the screen. We have 5 teams here. They get a chance to choose the topic, and I will be asking them the question. There are no passes or no negatives. The question will be to the team. If they get it right, it's 10 points. If they get it wrong, then there's no negatives. So I have a draw of lots over here. One of you can walk out from each team, pick a number, and that's the order of you choosing the topic. So can one team member please come out? Okay, who's going to be choosing the topic first? So Gwalior, we're going to be starting. Your 7 topics are on the screen. Energy, general, conservation, transport, physics, fuel, or environment. Choose your topic.
General.
General. You go for general. Can we get the question, please? Which proposed statue is blanked out in this visual?
Statue of Unity.
The Statue of Liberty, you say, at?
The Statue of Unity.
The Statue of Unity. At 182 meters, 597 feet. monument of Vallabhbhai Patel that will be directly facing the Narmada Dam. The Statue of Unity is the right answer. 10 points to you. Oxford Public School, Gwalior. DPS Noida, you're going second. Choose your topic, please.
Fuel.
You choose fuel. This is India's first train which runs on this
CNG.
mode of fuel.
CNG.
You say CNG. It's based on the dual fuel system of diesel and CNG. So CNG is the right answer. I'm going to accept that. So good job done, DPS Noida. 10 points to you. Bengaluru, your question now. Choose your topic.
Transport.
Your transport question on the screen now. SCI deploys most of its product tankers for the coastal movement of petroleum products in synergy with the refineries, establishing an efficient distribution channel and ensuring uniform supply of clean petroleum products through the public distribution system to the end user. SCI.
System cost of
No points for you on this. Don't worry, there's no negative, so no points for you on this. 4 is DPS Ranchi. A lot of categories to choose from, so tell me which one is going to be.
physics.
Physics question, this is a visual as well. Which device is depicted on the stamp, whose one of the early developers was Andre Ampere?
Ammeter.
It's the wrong answer, I'm afraid. The galvanometer was the answer that I was looking for. The galvanometer. Hard luck there. We have one team left now. Environment and energy are the choices left.
We'll go for energy.
You'll go for energy. Let's have a look at the energy question, please. Which norms are being shown here that were instituted by the Government of India to regulate the output of air pollutants?
Air pollution index.
Air pollution index. That was just a wild guess, wasn't it? The emission norms I was talking about are Bharat Stage. Bharat Stage, as you know, are motor vehicles. Are judged by those emission norms. It's for internal combustion engines and most often used with motor vehicles. So that's the end of our 4th round. Let's give our teams a round of applause, please. Okay, so 4 rounds gone, 2 rounds to go. Let's have a look at the scores, how the teams are doing after 4 rounds. We have Ranchi, who are on 5 points. Gwalior, Oxford Public School, is on 15. Bengaluru on 20 points. Tough competition between the two teams from Panjim and of course DPS Noida. Panjim just slightly behind with 50 points and DPS Noida in the lead with 55. Give them a warm round of applause, please.
पैंट 2 शर्ट ठीक है। बहू
जी
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू।
नई साड़ी के लिए।
नई साड़ी माँ जी।
उबाल आने पर तुमने आज धीमी कर दी। खाना भी तुम बर्तन ढककर पका रही हो। इससे सिलेंडर ज्यादा दिन चलेगा और हम सालाना गैस बिल पर 1,500 रुपए तक बचाएंगे। मतलब आ गई ना तुम्हारी तरफ से नई साड़ी। बात तो आखिर एक ही है ना बेटा।
उबाल आने पर आंच धीमी करें और खाना ढककर पकाएं और सालाना 1,500 रुपए तक बचाएं। Brought to you by PCRA in public interest.
ओए देख तेरा बेटा
नहीं
क्या बोल रहा है। क्या कह रहा है? कह रहा है थैंक यू। थैंक यू क्यों? अपनी नई साइकिल के लिए। साइकिल? तुम्हारे ट्रैक्टर से काला धुआं नहीं निकल रहा। इसका मतलब ये हुआ तुम इंजन की नियमित रूप से जांच करते हो और उसे सही गियर में चलाते हो, जिससे डीजल की खपत घटती है और इस तरह तुम्हारे 1 साल के डीजल के बिल में पूरे 3,000 रुपए तक की बचत होती है। मतलब आ गई ना इसकी नई साइकिल।
बात तो आखिर एक ही है ना।
ट्रैक्टर के इंजन की नियमित रूप से जांच करें और ट्रैक्टर को सही गियर में चलाएं और सालाना 3,000 रुपए तक बचाएं। दिस टिप वाज ब्रॉट टू यू बाय पीसीआरए इन पब्लिक इंटरेस्ट।
चलिए 2 राउंड बाकी हैं। Our last round, of course, as you know, is the buzzer round. But what is the 5th round that we're playing right now? The 5th round is a very interesting round, one of my favorites, because you have a chance to win 15 points in this. Not 10, but 15. I will be giving you 3 clues. The first clue will be the hardest, the most cryptic, most difficult to decode. But if a team can do that, उनको मिलेंगे 15 point. अगर उन्होंने उसको पास किया तो मैं दूसरा क्लू दूंगा उसी टीम को। उस पे अगर उन्होंने सही जवाब दिया तो उनको मिलेंगे 10 पॉइंट। अगर उस पे भी वो ना कर पाए तो तीसरा सबसे आसान क्लू उन्हें दिया जाएगा। उस पे अगर उन्होंने आंसर दिया तो उनको मिलेंगे 5 पॉइंट। So we started the first round from here. I'm going to start the second round that way. I'm going to go anti-clockwise in this. So Oxford School, Gwalior. It's a direct question. Each team will get just one. There is no negative marking, right? And the question does not pass.